this month we celebrate women, and I think we should celebrate women every day. For me, I never saw it as a problem being a woman. I've always gone for my goals and had high expectations, and I thought anything would be possible from I was little. So being a woman has never held me back. I'm Anine Bing. I'm the founder and creative director of the brand Anine Bing. I've been living in LA now for 12 years and I absolutely love this city. Los Angeles is so vibrant, it's so inspiring, and it's a perfect place to create. I started Anine Bing 6 years ago. I had this idea that I wanted to start a brand for women, for the woman on the go, who just want to dress like herself, be herself, but be cool and stylish at the same time. So life is of course up and down, and I've gone through tough periods in my life for sure. Being a mom and running a company, it's a lot, and when I go through a tough time, I really try to step back and take a little bit of time to myself to breathe, because my days are full power, like every day, and it's been like that for many years. So recently, when I went through a very tough time, I just sat down, I wrote down like, what is it that I want to do in my life, what is important, and then tried to cut out the bullshit and actually just focus on what matters to you. I do think a woman can have it all, but one thing I have realized though, when I started the business, I didn't have time anymore to have girls' nights every Tuesday and out for drinks and lunches with my girlfriends. So I must say I did prioritize my family and my business. And of course I still have my friends around me, but I just don't have as much time for that part of my life right now. But that will come back one day. As a mother, it's important for me to show my daughter that she can grow up and be anything. To me, it doesn't matter if you want to be a doctor or designer, whatever it is, I just want her to follow her dreams and be happy. And I hope more women will just believe in themselves and actually go for their dreams and just do it.